The making of me when I get a damn bill. Oh, wow, yeah, the best. Wow, you know. The making of me when I get a damn bill.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today now about Mama Okh'S. My people, this is song when he lost today. The thing just to like pain me, like the thing just shocktalize everybody. It just make everybody just they shock, like seriously. This thing will happen today. Like, I don't know how it be. They'll just call you, say you lost your own Pekin. For Europe, why? But this is Nigeria, the Pekin day. The Pekin day Europe, my people. The Pekin day Europe. Very, very painful. I just pray, may God just give this our mama the mind to bear the lost. The only son. The only son when they just get, now just goes so. The only son. God. We're not going to ask you why, because now only you want to know why you quit him. The funny part be say he never born any pikin at all. Only what bokoko way now. He never born pikin for his mama. They go 40 years. Now that one just they like suppose he still get pikin now. They'll still they call that a pikin, say at least he still get one pikin for life. No pikin at all. Very, very painful. I can imagine why our mama they cry like that. Mommy, sorry, take heart. May his soul rest in perfect peace. The thing pain everybody. The whole world is crying for you. We love you, mommy. Please, just take heart, I beg. Take heart. I'm only God know why. We don't even know whether he's sick. We don't know the sickness we make up me like this. 40 years, people where they go 40 years. The only son, oh, the only son when they get, my people. The only son. Now it goes so. The only son, my people. Very, very painful. May his soul rest in perfect peace. May his soul rest in perfect peace. God know why he quickly go like this. Mommy, please, just take heart, I beg. Just take heart, I beg. Be strong for us. Be strong. I beg more not come up for where it dey. Make sure say una dey call her, una dey console her, and make people there around her. Make she not go do anything bad to herself. Yeah. Make everybody just like this strong. Make una make sure say she dey strong. And I know say now force they go to force her to eat now. Because it's not easy for somebody to lost your own son. Your own pikin. I say when my own collapse on Christmas Day, I not be small thing happen that day. I not turn human be again. I not turn human be again that day. My enemy almost made me. They can't cry. When me I cry that day. Now only God, now you know. Doctor say the ojo call you say you're pikin. It may me for Europe. You don't pick and come house. Mama never even see him before you go. My people. They painful. Very, very painful. Very, very painful. Mama, okay, Mama no can say do. Take heart, I beg. Take heart. I pray may God if he give you the mind, may you bear the lost. I just pray may God give you the mind to bear the lost. So my people, I'll put one video for una. Make una watch join her. Make you know say the whole world. We love you, mommy. Take heart.